Okay, she's determined now. Well, she's kind of determined. Poor thing. Poor sad raccoon. There's so much food left. You notice our grill cover, which has gotten right there, which they've destroyed the top of the grill cover. She can climb that pole. She's a pole dancer. Poor thing. Poor. It's like taunting her.
Getting her exercise.
She's getting her exercise, says Kevin. Oh no. I guess if you put a support on it, it'll probably make it easier for her to try to.
Yeah, because now it's wobbly.
It's wobbly to make her a little nervous. So now I'm gonna go dig up the plants.
I'm gonna dig up the plants.
Oh dang! Now we need to. Oh no, she just.
Oh, Raccoon Highway.
Raccoon Highway, just like the Kitty Highway. She's gonna be coming in soon. She is not gonna give up. I made a lap. Going back up. Here I go. Okay, I'm gonna do it for sure this time. Okay, okay. All right, I'm gonna take a flying leap. What are you gonna do now, little poor little girl? Poor sad raccoon.
Quite so low down.
Oh no. Wow, she lost her balance. That's not. Here we go. There's plenty of seeds down there. I feel like going out and putting some seeds down there.